guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having an amazing day today. As you read by the title, we are doing another collab. This is a birthday collab. This is a collab for Nicole. Nicole, I want to wish you a happy birthday. I'm so glad I got to take part in this. There's a whole bunch of us in this. Everybody's channel will be down in the description box. Please do go over and check out their looks. So we all got together and we are doing a look of your favorite colors. I of course picked pink and purple. I'm going to be using the 39S. I just bought this palette, so I've only got to stick my fingers in it. So you will be the first one that I do a look for. It's a beautiful palette. I'm very happy that I picked it up. I did pick it up on sale, which made me even happier. So Nicole, I met Nicole last year when I first got into my channel. I'm wanting to say I met her through Love Anna 5. I don't even know if she still has a YouTube channel or not. If she does, I will link her channel also. But I absolutely adore Nicole. She is a great supporter. She is very much needed in this community and does amazing eye looks. So this is what that palette looks like. It's like a Barbie palette dream come true. So that's what we're going to do our eye look out of today. I'm not going to give the names because everybody knows Morphe has the little plastic thing, and it's going to be pink and purple. So let's go ahead and get started. I do have the base of my face done. Everything is done but my eyes, just to not make this video forever and a day long. I'm going to take a Morphe M441 and I'm going to go into this light pink color, the second color in the second row. And we are just going to pop that on our eye. I do love Morphe's formula. It is very easy to blend out. I know when I first started my channel, I started out with a Morphe palette. The 35V was my first palette outside of like Walmart or Target or any of those places. So I do like Morphe's formula just because it's beginner friendly. It's very quick to go into and make a look without putting maximum effort into it. So that I do like. Alright, so as you can see, we just have a nice pink wash of color. Alright, so next I'm going to go down into this purple down here on this bottom row. And I'm just going to stick that slightly underneath where we started that pink. Now, Michelle has, I believe, 5 children. She's a very good mother. I know that her husband and her take care of a lot of things by themselves. And Nicole works very hard on her channel. I know for a minute she had given it up due to unforeseen circumstances, which happens from time to time. And then she came back, which was amazing. I do enjoy watching her eye looks and her haul videos. Okay, now that we have that blended out, I am going to go into this bright pink color, and we are going to stick that right here on the outer V. And just bring it up into that purple. You can probably hear Miss Belle panting on the bed. I have to turn the air conditioner off because it's so loud. I cannot film with it. It drives me insane. But then the girls get a little warm in here. But that's alright. They will cool back down as soon as I am finished. And if you don't have Nicolles' channel, please do go over and check her out. If you like makeup and beauty and hauls and eye looks, she is definitely your girl. Definitely. Alright, and then I'm going to go into this deep purple. Alright, so there's what we have. It's very pretty. Super glad that I picked this palette up. I wanted it when it first came out and just never bit the bullet to get it. I'm taking that dark purple right at the lash line and about 1/4 of the way in. Then I'm going to take that bright pink again and put it under there also. Okay, then I'm going to take that light pink color that we started with and pop it right underneath both of that pink and purple color. Just to tie everything on top, on bottom. Alright, let's see what kind of shimmer we want to do. I think I'm going to go with this color right here. Although usually I would go with this silver color. Actually, let's do this one right here. This one's very pretty. It's got some pink and purple sparkles in it. So, let's do that one. I did send Nicole friend mail a while back of the Smoke Show palette when it first came out. And she did an amazing look with it. Yeah, I'll try that with my finger. Yeah, that's very pretty. It's very light and subtle. Then of course I'm going to also take that on my lower lash line. Okay, so there's that. I think I'm going to try this duochrome color. These are supposed to be toppers. I've also heard that you can use them as highlights. Yeah, that's very pretty. All right, so I think I'll use some of that as a highlight also. I do have highlighter on, but you can always use more. All right. Then I'm gonna take this gold color, champagne color, and use that for my brow bone. And then we need an inner corner. I'm gonna go with this little pink rose gold little number. So there's that. I'm going to pause, do my eyeliner and my mascara, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so we have eyelashes and eyeliner done. This is my final eye look. I think it came out very pretty, very pink and purple. I was very satisfied with the way the palette went. Like I said, Morphe's formula is easy. It's pretty much foolproof. The day in the life of Michelle. That is who put this together. Thank you, Michelle, for inviting me to do so. Nicole, honey, I hope you have an amazing birthday. I hope that you know that you are very loved and cared about in this small little tight-knit community that we have going on. So that's it, guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I greatly appreciate it. Let Nicole know that you wish her a happy birthday. Let Michelle know that she was sweet to put this together for Nicole. So many names, guys. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you again. Please do like the video if you liked it. Give me a dislike if you didn't. If you are here from another channel, thank you for taking the time to stop by. I greatly appreciate it. I'm Becca. Nice to meet you. And until next time, guys, as always, you stay beautiful.